Hello. Welcome to another video from 10x Investor Education. Today, I would like to talk about Ethereum and Hive blockchain. The title of the video is Ethereum up $250 today, close to 32% in a day, and it crossed $1,000, which was the major block. So, Hive blockchain, which is an OTC stock, symbol HVBTF, one of the biggest Ethereum producers. And how do you trade it? Will it going to crash tomorrow? Let us see how it's going to trade tomorrow. Okay, again, disclaimer, this is not advice to buy Hive, or this is not to advice to sell Hive. So I'm just telling my opinion. I'm not your financial advisor. Please talk to your financial advisor before buying any stock. I'm very excited about this. So hopefully you like this video and subscribe by the bottom of the video. Okay, let's get into the details of the video. So today, this is Ethereum. It crossed $1,000, which is the main blocker for a while. So it went up by $250 today, which is close to 32%. By the time I took the screenshot, it already went up by $5. So if you take 1 year chart of Ethereum, it's went up by close to $900, which is 667%. People talk a lot about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin actually went up by 354%, which is plus $26,000. So almost Ethereum doubled compared to Bitcoin, and there are multiple reasons. One is Ethereum has a lot more utilities than Bitcoin, and Ethereum, whereas Bitcoin availability is low, Ethereum availability is high, and Ethereum price is low. So obviously there is high chance for Ethereum price to go up, and this is my favorite currency compared to Bitcoin. So let's get into the details. So what is Hive? Hive blockchain technologies, symbol HVBTF. Hive owns and operates next generation crypto mining facilities in Canada, Sweden, and Iceland. Okay, so technically this is not a US company like Riot and Mara. So if you look at my OTC stocks, lot of the mining companies are based in Canada. It's very interesting how from few pennies they went to huge market cap like $500 million to $1 billion in just few weeks. So they produce primarily Bitcoin and Ethereum. The company's hardware includes both high-end GPUs and also cloud-based ASIC mining systems from Bitmain. So Hive, this is trading around $80, is an OTC stock and not a Nasdaq stock. So this is what you need to remember. So you can't buy in Robinhood. You can buy TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, and other exchanges, and also this is Canadian stock. So certainly compared to Riot and Mara, this is high risk stock. I'm not saying it's a bankruptcy task, but this high risk stock because the stock went from 10 cents to close to $2 in this year. So that is like close to 2000%. This is one of the most profitable Bitcoin Ethereum mining company. I will show you the results. So if this was trading in Nasdaq, I think this would be probably close to $3 easily because the profitability and how they are growing and other things. So I would like to show an interesting article pointing to how a small company made so much money selling Hive stock. Okay, so before going into, let's look into Hive. So Hive blockchain technologies volume is 7.4 million, symbol is HVBTF, previous close $1.98, today's open $1.88, so it kind of fell a little bit. I tell you why it fell. And also the 52 range is 7 cents to $2.48, so close to 2,500% up. And it has a PE ratio for a change, which means it's actually a profitable company, and they're going to actually their profit is going to skyrocket, I think, in next quarter. I'll show you why. Okay, and this is not a small company, this is like $500 million company. So let's look into the company I'm talking about. So US global investors announces sold 10 million shares of Hive. So this is one of the reason why Hive share has been falling recently. So this is one of the biggest investor in Hive blockchain, and what they did was, so they sold approximately Hive stock for $18 million profit, and then out of that 18 million, $15 million they gave loaned the back it to Hive at 8% rate. Okay, so this is the company making millions of dollars. Hive. So first of all, they made $18 million profit by selling stock because they are the primary investors, and then they got the money and they loaned back that money for 8% interest for Hive. So Hive, which is kind of not selling the stock directly to secondary people, but this is how they are selling to, like, this is how it's happening to the investors. So these guys are minting money with these companies, especially a lot of companies they do secondary offering or ATM, or or like this. So companies who invested initially, they sell stock and they give the back to actually the same company at very high interest rates. So that's what I'm talking about here. Okay, so recent corporate update. So this is in the middle of the quarter update because this quarter is not over. I think they'll announce the results sometime January or February. So for the recent update last week, the company has thus so far fiscal third quarter from October 1st to December 21st. So October, November, this end of December is quarter ends, mined more than 19,000. Well, this is not 40 million anymore, it's a lot more. So which is like 19 million in my view right now because it's $1,000. 19 million Ether, Ethereum, and 140 Bitcoins and companies preliminary and unaudited results. So it's total close to $25 million this quarter. They already made the revenue. Okay, so let's look into last quarter. So generated income from digital currency mining $6.6 million. Gross mining margin is 2.6. Okay, 40% of income from digital currencies. Mining output nearly last quarter, so they produced like 26,000 mine Ethereum and 154 Bitcoin. 26,000 into 1,000 is close to $26 million. So they generated adjusted EBITDA of 2.6 million, generated net income of 1.8 million for the period, so close to $2 million net income. Okay, so working capital was $10.7 million June of 30, and that decreased by 1.0 million. And so basically what they are doing is they are not selling, let's say if they are generated 26,000 Ethereum, they are not selling the whole Ethereum that they have, though they're selling just enough to cover their operations and general expenses, and they are holding on to Ethereum and Bitcoin because these guys are smart, they know it's going to go up, so they're not selling. So with the holdings of Ethereum, Bitcoin, and this quarter Ethereum, Bitcoin, I think they are close to mint around $50 million right there in the next quarter. Let us see. So how do you trade a company which went from 10 cents to $1.80, which is like 1800% in a year? So my advice is do not buy at once. Okay, so once this $10 million sale is over, I think the price is going to skyrocket. I think the price start might going up even tomorrow because of the Ethereum price went up by 30% today, and they being the biggest Ethereum producers, there is high chance this week the price will go up for Hive. So the best way is to buy on dips, and also if the Bitcoin Ethereum price drops like 10-20%, and these guys will fall a lot, so that's also best time to buy. So as far as me, I owned few thousand stocks of, but I bought it long, but I'm back. So even though this is a penny stock, the market cap is $600 million, which is high valuation, and the average volume is 7 million shares. So remember, everybody talks about Bitcoin, but which is went up by 350% in a year, whereas Ethereum, which went up by 670%, close to double than Bitcoin, and there are multiple reasons. We need a separate video for that. So trade with caution, go crypto, go. Please click the like button of the video and enjoy, and don't take this as a buying advice for Hive blockchain, but this is what I am doing. I'm not selling Hive at any time nearby. Okay, thank you. See you on my next video later.